praise and give honor to the Spirit of God. And once that's done, we can move on with phase 2. After looking at the birds and the trees, I often wonder, Lord, give me the strength to see a thing before I see it. Some of you may and may not understand where I'm coming from when I say that, but it's a deep spiritual feeling, spiritual meaning behind. Let me see that I don't see before I see it, so that I may be on top and Satan on the bottom. Get thee behind me, Satan.